in our East Coast.
Yeah, but why you do? But people are crazy.
Engineers and like those people, they go to America.
I don't depend on others. Brought you here.
I don't know. It's in YouTube.
Otherwise, no problem. India was very rich country. Have you ever been to India?
No.
India is very cheap. Indian people very nice. Your name?
Oliver.
Oliver?
Yeah.
Oliver Twist. Jacob Glover. Oliver Twist. You have seen the film Oliver Twist?
What?
Oliver Twist. And live in the land. Then he used to get up to
Cara, já ser melanina, deve ser melanina de provavelmente. Sim. Não, beleza, eu vou dar uma analisada nesse lateral do futebol. Mas tá sim, cara. Tá sim as mexendo 100% nisso, né?
他们是住哪里？伊比斯啊。
你今天不用吃苦啊，你要吃。